Assalamualaikum, hello guys, it's me Najmuddin. Welcome back to my video presentation ALC 590. Okay, today I will share about bully and effect. Okay, you know bully and effect kan? So I will share to you. Okay, what does bully mean? Bully is the action of international injuring a person or a group of individual. This action in usual done by people who have more power, expectedly for the reason of wanting to cause harm to those who are power and weak to respond. These are the meaning of the bully. Okay, I will share to you type of bully. Okay, one of the effect of bullying is when the victim become too scared to go to school. Now many students think that they are in a bully. Okay, free environment because they don't see their friend being bullied in front of their own eyes. But bully does not necessarily involve physical injury alone. Some form of bully include like this is the type of bully lah. First, physical bully. Okay, what is physical bully? Okay, often only physical bully is considered bully because this behavior because real and visible injury. While physical bully often happen in school, this action can also happen to anyone regardless of age. Maybe mocking, verbal and physical assault as well as destruction of other people property are some example of physical bully. Okay, next is cyberbully. Okay, cyberbully also known as digital age bully occur through digital device such as mobile phone, computer and tablet. This happen on social network actually, and on the platform social such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and online game and many more actually on social media. This including posting and sharing fake and bad news with other. For example, public disclosure of personal information with the intent to embrace other. They do not right. They do with bad. Okay, next about verbal bully. Okay, what is verbal bully? Okay, verbal bully is when bully use impole language to what more power than like you talk with your friend, you are bad or ugly. That's a verbal bully. You talk. That's a verbal bully. Bully in death is harder to see and stop. This is because such action often occur when adults are not around or nearby to stop them. Don't do this. Okay, I will share to you about the fact of bully. Okay, just become someone has no braces or dirty clothes or even lost property doesn't happen to them. It's not that's not the bully, but non-physical bully also pose a serious threat even if it does not cause any physical injury to the victim. Okay, try to imagine what it would be like if the victim were you. Here, how bully can negatively impact not only the bully and the victim, but the observers as well. Like you get a depression, cause the student to struggle in their daily life. If the student is experiencing too serious depression, he or she is at the risk of injury or suicide. So that's not good actually. Okay. Next, the fact is about academic decline. As a result of health problem, student academic performance may decline due to loss of energy and interest in learning, such as skipping school. They not go to the school to being to because afraid of bully at school. That's why. So stop do this bully. Okay. Next, but fact is loss of interest in everything, fear of the bully, and his helper like powerless to help the victim. For fear the bully will divert his target from the victim to themselves. Okay, so don't do this. In conclusion, the this bully are dangerous, very dangerous actually bully, because can make the student who get bullied decide to suicide. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for listening and see my video about effect and bully. Stop do that and be a good person. Okay, see you next time and bye. Assalamualaikum.